Welcome po sa Monte Maria Shrine na matatagpuan sa Batangas City. Isa itong kilalang pilgrimage at tourist destination sa Pilipinas at tahanan ng Mother of all Asia. Ang lugar na ito ay dinarayo hindi lamang ng mga deboto, kundi pati ng mga turista dahil sa malawak na tanawin, tahimik na kapaligiran at mga atraksyon tulad ng glass walk. Bago pumasok, pinapaalalahanan ang mga bisita na panatilihin ang kaayusan, katahimikan at respeto dahil isa rin itong religious site. Ang Mother of all Asia ay isang malaking estatwa ng Blessed Virgin Mary na may taas na humigit kumulang 78 metro o 98 meters. Kaya kabilang ito sa pinakamataas na Marian statue sa Asia. Matatagpuan ito sa Mount Makulot area dito sa Batangas. Kaya may overlooking view ng Batangas Bay at mga karatig bundok. Ang Monte Maria Shrine ay tinatag bilang lugar para sa panalangin, retreat, at spiritual reflection bukod sa pagiging tourist attraction.
And on we'll go.
Ang glass walk ay isang elevated walkway na gawa sa makapal at matibay na tempered glass na idinisenyo para maging ligtas sa mga bisita at turista. Habang naglalakad sa glass walk, may kita ang tanawin sa ibaba, kaya maraming bisita ang nakararamdam ng kaba. Pero ligtas ito kapag sinunod ang mga patakaran. May mga directional signs, stop at safety reminders sa paligid para sa maayos na pagbisita ng mga turista. Kung naghahanap kayo ng lugar na pinagsasama ang pananampalataya, tanawin at kakaibang experience, ang Monte Maria Shrine at Glass Walk ay magandang isama sa inyong travel packet.
One eternity later.
Yan, lalakarin natin papunta sa taas. Yan si LJ. Dito sa tabi nila ito yung Capsule Hotel. Oh no. Yan. Nakarating na rin tayo.
Let's go guys. Medyo napagod lang tayo sa pagpapalipad ng drone doon kanina. Sobrang dami ng mga magagandang tanawin dito. Ginado sa Glass Walk. Dito sa Monte Maria. Nasa Virgin Mary statue. So come on, let's go.
Hindi na ba na tayo sa pag-akyat doon sa taas? Actually, pwede naman pala mag-parking doon. Kaso lang, sobrang dami kaninang tao. Ayun. Ito daw yung tinatawag nilang Capsule Hotel. Kasi na si Daddy, ang bilis maglakad eh. Ayun. Daming tao, di ba? Yan o. Dami, pababa na sila niyan eh. Ayun, si Glass Walk. Miracle Glass. Paggabi pala may ilaw siya. Ah, may elevator. Pwede umakyat sa taas. Kaso ayoko na umakyat sa taas. Asa na si Daddy? Ayun, taas na. Sa kamay ni Mama Mary? Parang hindi ko kayang umakyat sa kamay ni Mama Mary.
Mama Mary. Nalablang po, pinili ng ticket. May elevator na po. Office noted po, 100. 5 years old below.
5 years old below free.
God bless.
May entrance para dun sa kamay ni Mama Mary kung gusto nyo umakyat. 100 entrance fee.
Sa mga gusto po umakyat sa kamay ni Mama Mary.
Ayan.
Nalablang po, pinili ng ticket. May elevator naman po. All is noted po, 100. 5 years old below.
5 years old. May chapel sa loob.
The earth, the hands that shape the stars now torn and clean. Oh, mercy storm the gates of hell. Beneath the cross I lay my empire's edge. Here my pride dissolves in holy rain. Your blood,
Magandang
the
araw po.
tide that
Sa mga
drowns
gusto po
my
umakyat
guilt.
sa kamay ni Mama Mary, sa loob lamang po bibili ng ticket. May elevator naman
Jesus,
po.
right, redeemed
All
on
discounted po,
every
100.
step.
5 years old below, free.
King of heaven
Maraming salamat po.
forgive
God bless.
blindness.
Wow, napaka-peaceful na dagat.
Still bargain
May
for
elevator
my
naman po.
due.
Ayun yung glass walk. Paggabi may ilaw na siya.
Yet in his death he claims my broken kindness.
God bless.
A rebel crowned in grace I never knew. Oh,
Pabalik na kami. Dahil sa gabi maganda ang ilaw ng Miracle Glass Walk.
the God
Although,
dies to wake my soul from sleep.
kung sino lang malakas ang loob,
Now break beneath this
medyo nahilo talaga. Nakakahilo siya. Actually, mas mataas pa nga tong stairs eh. Kaso lang, hindi kasi to glass. Dun kasi glass. Makikita mo yung kala mo nasa dagat ka. Tumulutang.
For in this sacred dark I find my
Actually, hanggang 6:30 naman siya. Ayan, meron pa nga tao eh. 6:30 hanggat maliwanag pa.
forever be mine.
Ayan o, may umakyat pa nga eh. Doon, may umakyat pa.
Eventually.
As we wrap up our visit here at Monte Maria, this place really gave us more than just a view. It gave us an experience. Monte Maria is home to the Mother of all Asia, Tower of Peace, one of the tallest Marian statues in the world, standing over 98 meters high. And of course, the highlight, the Miracle Walk, the famous glass walkway where you walk high above the ground with nothing but glass beneath your feet. Nakakatakot, oo. But at the same time, sobrang ganda. The view of Batangas Bay and the Verde Island Passage is something you won't forget. This place reminds us that Monte Maria isn't just a tourist spot. It's a place of faith, courage, and reflection. From me, Mamile, and LJ, thank you for joining us on this unforgettable journey. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more family travels and adventures. Until our next trip, ingat, God bless, and see you again soon.
Thanks for watching our vlog here at Monte Maria. Honestly, walking on the glass was pretty scary at first. Seeing straight down definitely tests your courage. But once you get past the fear, the view is absolutely worth it. The ocean, the breeze, and experiencing this place with my family made it really special. Trips like this remind me that it's okay to be scared sometimes, because that's usually where the best memories are made. From me, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on our next adventure. Bye!
Thank you so much for spending this moment with us here at Monte Maria. As a mom, seeing place like this, beautiful, peaceful, and meaningful, is a really special. The fears on the glass walk was real, but the view, the experience, and the memories we made together were all worth it. From Mommy Lay, together with my family, thank you for watching and supporting us. We hope this video inspired you to travel, face your fears like me, and enjoy every moment with your loved ones. See you on our next adventure. God bless and ingat always. Hanggang sa muli po! Paalam!